welcome to your PDA campus placement, and this is Shikha. So friends, if Varroc Group is also visiting your campuses, which is a leading automotive manufacturer and specifically in lighting system. If this company is also visiting your campuses, this particular video is going to helpful for you, as I'm going to discuss about most important pointers related to this company which you must prepare. See, you can be expertise in the technical questions, you can be expertise you can say in your practical field, but what about HR? For your HR interview, basically you need to have a good communication, you should have proper confidence in yourself, and of course you should have some of the soft skills which you need to be showcased in your interview. And additionally, you need to prepare about the company and your job profile, right? So this is Varroc Group, and let's discuss about most of the important pointers about this company. Before that, I'm going to tell you that what are the important components you need to prepare whenever you're going for any interview. Historical background of that company, profile, your profile, products and services, major business verticals, team management, current initiative, current news about that company, and of course some of the important HR questions. Let's just discuss it out one by one. So this is Varroc Group. Now it has been founded by Tarang Jain in 1990, which is a leading global automotive component which is already serving 3 continents as well, right? And it's headquartered in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India, which operates over 10 countries across 3 continents with 35 manufacturing facilities. ठीक है, 11 इंजीनियरिंग सेंटर्स हैं इसके. ये डाइवर्सिफाइड सप्लायर है एक्सटीरियर लाइटनिंग की, पावर ट्रेन्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, बॉडी, चेसिस, पॉलीमर एंड मेटालिक कंपोनेंट्स के. ठीक है, प्राइमरली 2 व्हीलर्स एंड पैसेंजर व्हीकल्स इसके लिए मेजरली रिनाउंड है. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टुवर्ड्स दिस, यू कैन से दिस इज इसका फाइनेंशियल यहाँ पर गिवन है, एंड इसका पार्टनरशिप है सप्लाइज टू लीडिंग OEMs इंक्लूडिंग फोर्ड, रेनॉल्ट, वॉक्सवैगन, टाटा मोटर्स एंड मर्सिडीज बेंज. अब काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स यहाँ पर गिवन है. द कंपनी हैज फॉर्मुलेटेड ऑन ESG पॉलिसी एंड इज एक्टिवली एनहांसिंग इट्स सस्टेनेबिलिटी फुटप्रिंट. सो दिस इज अबाउट इट्स वैल्यू. व्हाट आर द कोर बिजनेसेस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी? Varroc लाइटनिंग सिस्टम आ गया इसमें, ट्रायम्फ 2 व्हीलर लाइटनिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवीजन में आ गया. ठीक है, देन पॉलीमर डिवीजन, एडवांस्ड ड्राइवर असिस्टेंट सिस्टम. दीज आर द मेजर बिजनेस वर्टिकल जहां पर उसने अपने आप को एक्सपैंड किया हुआ है, एंड इट इज मेकिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट्स. Talking about products and services, exterior lighting system, headlamps, tail lamps, interior, exterior, electrical and electronic components, auto accessories, advanced safety solutions, components for electric vehicle. Top management, if I'll talk, it has been founded by Tarang Jain, which we have just discussed. Arju Jain is director and CEO. Current initiative, अब जो expansion है वो उसने किया है ग्लोबल लाइटनिंग बिजनेस में, जो कि कंटिन्यू है इन यूरोपियन एंड नॉर्थ अमेरिकन ऑटोमोटिव लाइटनिंग मार्केट. लॉन्च न्यू LED एंड अडैप्टिव लाइटनिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज. इट हैज बीन आल्सो फोकस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल कंपोनेंट, एडवांस्ड ड्राइवर असिस्टेंट सिस्टम एंड टेलीमैटिक्स, सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड ESG कंप्लायंसेस. करंट न्यूज क्या है? सी, whenever you are sitting in the interview of any company for any profile, you must have some of the important information like what is going in current related to that company. Have you read the newspapers of today or like something like that? Maybe you might have already said कि newspaper reading is my hobby, but आपको ये नहीं पता है कि इस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी का क्या करंट न्यूज़ है, उसका करंट फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस क्या है, करंट उसके प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या हैं. दैट इज समथिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वो और कुछ पूछे ना पूछे, बट ये जरूर वो आपको क्वेश्चन करेंगे कि व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट करंट प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑफ दिस कंपनी एंड वेयर इट हैज बीन फोकसिंग दीज डेज. If you are not aware, it means you have not prepared. So kindly do that. Okay, you must aware about the current news about that. This investment of 4 W lighting operation, ठीक है, sold European and American 4-wheel lighting business to Plastic Omni in 2022. इसने disinvestment कर दी इस particular product की. Launch of local EV components production and recognition of CSR initiative. ठीक है. Varroc's Kham River CSR project shortlisted among top global urban sustainability project in 2024. ये current और recent इसकी news हैं. Interview questions की अगर मैं बात करूँ, see, in campus placement there will be different questions. All will be maximum generic. Case studies will also be asked, but it was the lesser part. But the generic questions, you can say it out, SWOT analysis is in huge number. So we have already provided a list of important HR questions. You can go to Yourpedia Campus Placement YouTube channel and have a look. Even you can download that documentation from Yourpedia panel itself. Now there are a number of questions which can be asked in campus placement. Your generic, of course, first of all, introduction, your generic SWOT analysis, your behavioral part, your problem solving abilities, and then additionally this company profile part. This is something you must prepare. At least you should have important pointers in your mind कि okay ये company किस लिए renowned है, किस लिए जानी जाती है and everything. How you can align with that. Now first question is, what do you know about Varroc Group? So basically you need to be tell always about 3-4 important pointers. What it company is about, when it has been founded, by whom, where is the headquarter, and what it is doing. These 3 to 4 important pointers you always need to include while you are giving answer of this question. Why do you want to join Varroc Group? See, this is a leading global automotive manufacturer, specifically in lighting system, two-wheelers, and like engineering centers. So you need to be align your goals with that. That how you are interested. It can be your personal interest. It can be your technical skills as well. It can be your technical qualifications as well. Right? Global presence के लिए, leadership in motivated components के लिए, investment in R&D, advanced safety system के लिए. That's why you want to join that. How will you contribute in Varroc Group? Basically with your technical skills, passion for automotive technologies if you are very much interested in that, and with a focus on EV components and digital automotive solutions. Of course this can be your personal interest too. So that is something you need to be like talk about in this in Varroc Group ki, how you are going to be contributing that. These are the important pointers and important questions related to this company. So kindly prepare it well if this company is also visiting to your campuses. Looking forward to mentor you out, and you can download this documentation from Yourpedia panel. All the very best. Good luck.